Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Elaine. This month I designed some travel and beach theme sticker sheets and 2 matching printables. It is very fun to look at these travel and beach theme stickers. It is also so cute and easy to use them in my bullet journal setup. Here is a beach themed printable I made, as well as the travel themed printable, which includes many monthly headers and the days of the week labels. It's a matching set with my other travel stickers. I also use a mini monthly and the days of the week sticker sheets in pink, so I can easily use them in my calendar and the weekly spreads. In this setup, I also use some other design elements that I have bought before. One is this deco paper box with many travel maps and decorative items. Another one is a pack of travel deco papers. Lastly is a neutral color washi tape set from shop Amanda Rich Lee. Now let's get started. This month I'm using watercolor to paint some background colors on the pages first, then adding my designs and the stickers on top of these watercolor backgrounds. I'm painting the watercolor background on the weekly pages I will decorate today. I'm using sunset colors on the top of the pages and the yellow for sand beaches on the bottom of these pages. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please click on the notification bell so you can get notified when I come out with a new video. Please leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comments down below. I'm really thankful for your support and encouragement to my channel and my videos. It means the world to me. It also helps me to want to keep making videos to inspire others. I also have a free 13-page floral planner kit printable and some other free printables like the 2-page self-care planner, sunset theme planner printable, the mood tracker, and much more that I made for you. If you haven't already downloaded these printables, please check the free download link down below. After I finish all the backgrounds, I put some scrap paper between the pages, then put a heavy book on top of the notebook and let the paper to dry for about 10 minutes. Here I'm creating my first weekly spread. I'm dividing these 2 pages into 7 spaces for 7 days. Then using the pink mini days of the week stickers on each day. These travel stickers on the pages really bring me to a good mood to prepare for our family trip to Maine. I'm looking forward to the fantastic experience and I'm so excited. This is the reason I love to customize my bullet journals. Now I'm creating my second weekly spread. I'm making the left page a whole week spread. Sometimes it's very fun to make a 1-page weekly spread, so I can make another page a quote page or a decorative page to match the theme of that month. On the right page, I'm making a decorative page with a textured paper and the printable stickers. Do you like making quote pages? Do you find making deco pages fun like I do? Here is my third weekly spread. I really like this weekly spread design. I got the inspiration from a travel packing list bullet journal spread on Pinterest. It looks like many post-it sticky notes on the pages. It feels so fun writing my tasks in them. Do you like to make your weekly spread different for each week? I do. The different layouts for each week makes me look forward to use them. This is my fourth weekly spread. For this design, I like the lively feeling of the curving lines that goes around the pages and the fonts each day. I also love the beach theme stickers that made this spread have such a fun summer beach vibe. Have you gone to any beaches this summer yet? That's it for the fourth weekly spread. This is the final flip through. I included every spread from this month so you can see the complete designs. If you haven't watched my last video where I made the previous pages, make sure to check it out. The link is in the description. I hope you like this fun travel thing set up. Please don't forget to check out these travel and the beach theme printables and the matching sticker sheets. The link is down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!